Good afternoon, Dan. It's Brittany from Autofair Honda here to show you the 2026 Honda Pilot Elite in Rally Red. It's really nice dual tone alloy rims. Privacy tinting in the back window. It does come with roof rails. It is a hands-free or a power lift tailgate, and that center thing comes out, giving you captain chairs there. You can put the seat in here. Seats do go flat. It's a little harder with just one hand right now, but all rows go flat if you need more room. Keyless entry, remote start. You can even customize which doors unlock when you grab that handle, like I just tried. So you got heated seats in this middle row here, custom climate control, panoramic sunroof. These recline and slide forward to make more space for the person in the back. That center seat also goes down and gives you a nice armrest. A lot of versatility in these cars, which is why they're so popular. Power adjustable, heated and ventilated seats with lumbar support. We got home link, auto dimming rearview mirror, massive touchscreen display here with built-in Google, Apple CarPlay, which is wireless, and also the wireless Android Auto wireless charging. Got this nice redesign here. You look at this, it's beautiful, and it's on the sides now. Got the leather and the velvet seats, tons of storage space. My personal favorite, the heated steering wheel and the Bose sound system. I mean, everything you could possibly want in this car, it has it. I look forward to working with you. My goal is just to make this the easiest car buying experience you've ever had. If you have any questions, in the meantime, feel free to reach out. 603-832-8761. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day.